everyone, how's it going? Hopefully you all have a wonderful day. I am still not fully 100% better as I was Friday. Friday I got such stomach aches. I thought I had eaten something bad. But yeah, I stayed in bed the entire time. And got some tea hopefully to ease my stomach and got a bit more rest. And yesterday too, I did it easy. I did not go to work yesterday, so to take it easy. But today I do feel a bit better than before. Still not 100%, but good enough to record a video once again. And in this video I will have a unboxing or unbagging, as I like to call them now, of a very beautiful cross stitch that is actually very Halloween appropriate. Even though it's not Halloween yet, it will come pretty quickly. It's the end of the summer, so the start of Halloween will come pretty quickly. So I have this one. It is a Gothic girl. Very beautiful. So let me just show what's all inside this kit. As we always start with the little bag of goodies of the thimbles. No, those are the bobbins, the thimbles, the needles and the scissors. And you always get one of these little bags with these necessities to start a cross stitch if you order from a PaintingFairy or something that is very PaintingFairy close. Like from Stitch or from 5-Stitch, they also give these little bags with the necessities. What we have as well are the flyers, of course, of their floss and of their instructions. This is the instructions of the different stitches and the instructions on how to clean the fabric once you are finished with your cross stitch. And like I said, a flyer of their floss, of their fairy floss, which is pretty close to the DMC floss. So it is something that I do say you should give it a try if you are interested. And speaking about fairy floss, we always get a sample with it. And it shows the fairy floss, and this is number 3847. I always have to think about how to say the numbers, since in Dutch we say it very differently. We will say 38, 47, which basically translates to 83, 74. So we say it the entire other way. So I always have to think, oh yeah, I need to do it the other way. But it is a very beautiful color. It is pretty green, I think. I think it is a mixture of green and blue. Like, not teal. Not, I think petrol was the color as well. But it's a very beautiful color. One that I do think I will be using in a new cross stitch. So, always handy. Alright, so with that out of the way, let me just show the design of the Gothic girl. In here we have a more clear picture. It is very beautiful with the roses, the rosary there, like the stained glass in the background. There's a chandelier over there. It is such a beautiful piece. And like I said, it is kind of Halloween appropriate. So this is a beautiful kit to be working on during Halloween or even outside of Halloween. Let me just see for how many colors this one would have. Those are all like grouped together or not. And they don't really seem grouped together. I don't really know why they have it like this. Maybe grouped color-wise. But in here we can see that they have around, let's see, they have around 56 unique colors, and together with the blends it will be 128 colors. So there are quite a lot of blends in here. It's a very blend heavy cross stitch piece. So let me just see for the pattern itself. A lot of confetti, especially in the background areas. I can see that the hair part is straight up, as it is very dark, very black. I'm kind of curious about the facial area, the face. Let me just see. Oh yeah, in here we see, is that her chin? Yeah, as you can see, that would be her chin right there with a part of her lips. And over there you see it would be the, how do you call that again? It is not a cloth. There is a name for it when something is kind of like embroidered, like a fabric that has that type of embroidery in there. I don't remember how it is called. I know that I do, but I cannot seem to recall it at the moment. But yeah, as I said, it's a very confetti heavy, but there are still some parts in there that you can group together. Like over here, for example, you have a group of that color, you have a few of those. So if I would attack this piece, when I would attack this piece, I would probably go parking for this one, as it is very, very big and not the easiest to tackle. But still, it's not as bad as the other one with the purple and the gold, which one was very beautiful though. So it has in total 12 pages. 12 pages. It's 12 pages long and wide. But the results are beautiful. I do really like how the red, the green, you can see that there's a green in there, but it's so warm and such a close color to the rest of the values of the hues. It's beautiful. I really am excited for this one. So let's just see for the colors then instead. As I just mentioned the colors just now of how close they are together in the color range, you can see in here how warm the colors are all together. There are so many warm colors in here. And as I suspected, there are extra colors of the black, which is 310, which is straight up black. And you got a little bit of this purple, warm purple color. So you get extra, so these are the two biggest colors. But again, it is interesting. In here, you don't see a green color, right? There's not really a green color. You can see like an ochre color in here, but there's no green. Yet, however, inside this piece, like I mentioned, it looks like there's green in there. So this is a trick of the eye, and this is how we can discern colors from one another, as we can use certain values of a color, which in here would be the ochre. Where was the ochre again? Where did I see it again? In here. We can use the ochre. Since the ochre is more a yellow color compared to all the warmer ones, it would be seen as green. So it's very interesting about colors. Very beautiful warm colors. And there's only warm colors in here. There's no blues in here. The only thing that is not a warmer tint would be the black, and no, this purple is also warm. So this black would be the only one that is not a warm tint. Interesting, very interesting. And as for the canvas, sorry about my rambling. I do ramble a lot. So it is an 18 count, so their crosses are smaller. And here we can see it more better. We can see more over here. That is the shadow part of her face. Over here we have a beautiful gradient of all the colors. So to make her skin look very smooth, very clean. Her hair is very black. And if I am correct, let me just see, that is a light blue dash in here. Let me see if I can find the light blue dash very quickly. It's over here. Over there. So that will be a 86. 86. Oh yeah, I have to see it in here. It's not in here. I mean... Oh, I chose the wrong color. Yes, of course. 86, it will be a blend. As I can see, it will be a blend. So I thought it would be like the purple color, but it's not the purple color. I'm kind of curious how it would look like in there. But as you can see over here, how much confetti is this? It is so much confetti. So again, like I said, when I would tackle this, I would use a parking method for this one. And then maybe use squares of 4x4 and then work my way like 2 squares down, 2 squares down, and then go all the way like that. Interesting. So let me also show the bottom, as the roses are on the bottom, as it is a very big canvas. But not as big as the other one. So here we have the roses. Oh, and this one, you can see this one is the rose, yes. You can see how beautiful that looks together. And a lot of black over here. And over here you can, with the shoulder, you can really see the face of her. You can really see where she would be at compared to the rest of the entire piece, like the background. That's beautiful though. Yeah, another project that I would consider when I would start this one, that I need to plan it out ahead really well. As if I don't plan out these big cross-stitch kits, then I would, oh, there's my shoe, then I would really start to struggle with it, and I would be stuck with it as well. So if you are someone that likes challenges, these type of cross-stitch kits are perfect. But if you are just an average cross-stitcher that wants to have like smaller cross-stitches, PaintingFairy does sell smaller ones as well. I have a few on my my unboxing playlist that you can check out if you like. So yeah, there are cross-stitches for everyone, for every type of skill, you know? So this was my unboxing on the Sunday instead of a Friday. Hopefully you all enjoyed it. And yeah, I will make a video tomorrow as well. Don't worry about it. I do feel better to record videos. I have been improving little by little. I still will take it easy so that I can get better. And I hope, yeah, I wish you all a very beautiful day today and a lots of cross-stitching times. Do take it easy, have a lovely day, and I will see you all tomorrow in the next video. So, bye bye!